Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. Today let's unbox this smart 4 feet batten tube light. This one I purchased from Amazon.in and it is the brand of this tube light is Polycab. So let me unbox. This box is from Amazon, so there is no much thing to describe. Only thing is here it is written that it should not be put under water or rainy, and it is a fragile, etc. This sticker comes. Okay, the packing is not so good. This box has been put in this big square box and it keeps on shaking during the transport, and then there is no packing for this box. Okay, I'll keep the box aside. But here in this box also there is some shaking. There is no proper sponge packing or thermocol packing, I suppose. Here comes, and also we can see the cap is already started rusting. This is the smart tube light. So before removing it out, I will mention what all written on this box. It's a home Avenir smart batten. Polycab is the brand. This is the power symbol. This can be connected via Google Play app, Apple App Store. Google works with Hey Google, works with Alexa. And here are some descriptions. 20 watt smart batten with CCT dimming, 2-in-1 channel LED batten, 20 watt 2CT, and the item code. It operates on 220 to 240 volts AC, 50 Hertz. It is 20 watts, it consumes 20 watts of power. Net quantity 1 number, and MRP it has been written as 1399 rupees Indian rupees, but I got it for 680 rupees. Manufacturing date, this is the Wi-Fi, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So manufactured by, manufacturer details. Here is the picture of the Polycab, the smart tube light, life elevated. And this is the tube light. Nothing else to be shown on this box. Okay, now we will remove it from the box. Okay, keep the box aside. And this is the manual. Don't throw it, just go through it once. It describes how you can connect it to your phone and how you can use it along with your different apps, that is Alexa, Google Hey Google, and the app specific app, that is HOHM Home app for this particular device and other devices which come from the same brand. So now let us, as I can see, the tube is shaking. So before I continue or try to see what is loose inside, I will check it once, and then if it is not stitching, try to fix the loose component inside. Okay, the tube light is on. So what I will do is I will repair it. So I will see what is loose here inside. For that we need to remove these two caps, one on here on the top and other on the other side. So let me see what is this side. The body quality is not so good. It is totally plastic. Okay, as you can see, the LED strip is loose. This is what it is making noise. So I will fix this one. For fixing this one, I need to remove this one from other side, pull it totally outside and then fix it. I will show it to you. So I will remove it from this side. Here you can see these are the wires. I need to desolder the wires, pull this strip outside and then repair it. As you can see, there are 3 wires, red, yellow and black. So I will desolder it first. Red is positive, black negative and yellow is for dimming control. Now I will remove this strip, show it to you. I'll pull this strip completely. Okay, as you see. Now as you can see, the strip is little bit bent. That is the reason it is coming out, and in this way insert it back. Okay, so now I will solder this back. So first is red, then comes the yellow, see that they don't get short circuited. Let's see if there is any short. There is no short here. Okay, now we'll insert it back. And fix the cover. For fixing the cover, as you can see here, we have groove. This groove here, just press it and here is a lock. It should lock here. Okay, now I'm going to take out this normal batten tube light and I will be fixing this smart tube light in this place. So first of all, I will remove this. This tube light has been connected with an adapter, so we can remove this holder, bulb holder, and fix the wire directly inside, or we can fix this adapter to this cable here. So I will fix it on this adapter and then continue. Okay, as you can see, as the wire of this batten was very short, I have turned this holder upside down Just inside here there are 2 screws. I removed the screws and turned it upside down and fix this cover back. Okay, now connect and switch on, and we'll configure it with the app. Okay, so we'll need now the app. For configuring it, we require Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi. I need to connect the phone and the tube light to a particular Wi-Fi and then continue. Just a minute.